Hey friends, welcome back to Ever Wealthy, where we talk about money in a way that actually makes sense. Have you ever felt like your salary just disappears every month? I've been there. Let me tell you about the 50-30-20 rule and the one method that finally gave me control over my spending. A couple of years ago, I was earning decently, but my bank balance was always close to zero at month end. Then a mentor asked me, "Do you even know where your money is going?" That question changed everything for me. Here's how the 50-30-20 rule works. Take your total monthly income. 50% goes to needs, rent, groceries, transport. 30% goes to wants, dinners out, Netflix, shopping. And 20% straight into savings or investments. Let's make it real. Suppose you earn $2,000 a month. According to this rule, about $1,000 would go to needs, $600 for wants, and $400 for saving or investing. I tried this myself. I cut down my food deliveries and canceled 2 streaming services I never watched. That freed up extra money for my emergency fund. Within 6 months, I had enough savings to cover 3 months of expenses. It's not about being perfect. Some months you might spend more on needs or wants, and that's okay. But this simple rule helps you see where your money is going. And that awareness alone changes your habits. So here's my challenge for you. Try the 50-30-20 rule for just 1 month. Track your expenses even roughly and see how much clarity it gives you. You might be surprised how much you can save without feeling deprived. If this helped you, drop a comment telling me what you'll cut down on first. And if you'd like me to create a detailed video on how to set up your own budget or tools I use to track spending, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Ever Wealthy. Smarter money habits start right here.